Hi, my name is Denis and I would like to present you today a brand new feature of WhatsUp Companion 4.0 which will be released quite soon. As you heard, Ipswich has now a new module called APM for Application Performance Monitoring, so we have decided to integrate WhatsUp Companion functionalities within APM. The purpose of this video is to show you how it's working exactly. I will now show you the component IBM WebSphere for the IPM profiles. So we have decided to create 3 profiles for IBM WebSphere version 6, 7 and 8. So that's why here you can see those folders. So first, what you need to know is where you're going to retrieve the information on this IBM WebSphere. So there is a path and the version is very important. So here, for example, we are retrieving information on a page. Version is 8.5.5, and we're going to retrieve some values on this page, as you can see here. So if we go back to WhatsUp Gold, we go to the WebSphere 8.x, and we go now to the device WebSphere 8.5. So to configure this APM profile, you need to go to the configuration of application performance monitoring, and to the all application profiles. You will have the list of every profile in your APM installation. So we're just gonna import the profile that we have in the Orsena APM profiles folder. So let's try the IBM WebSphere version 8. So here you see the profile has been added. There is 12 components, and now we're going to modify it to be able to apply to a server. So we're going to edit this application profile, and here you can see all the components that we're going to retrieve from this perf servlet page. How it's working. So we have a script here, and maybe you will have to modify the port and the path of your perf servlet directory, and then you can modify the threshold for the warning status and the down status of this component. So for every component, of course, you will have to modify the port and the path if they are different from the default ones. Okay, now our profile has been saved, so let's apply it to a server. So we're going to create an application instance here. We're going to select the device. Okay, IBM WebSphere, APM, WebSphere 8.x, WebSphere server. Now we're going to name this application instance. So IBM WebSphere 8.5. Okay. And now you can see all the components. So we're going to test them all. And here you can see all the status of the components are up, and we have the values related to those different counters or components as you want. We're going to save this, and here in the list you can see that we have the IBM WebSphere 8.5 created. So on the status page, we're going to have a dashboard with the IBM WebSphere 8.5 status. At the moment it's the unknown state because we didn't have any data as we have just added this monitor. So let's wait a little bit. Okay, now we have some values on this IBM WebSphere 8.5, and so you can see on this dashboard the value retrieved, the status of the application, the last poll values of the different components of this application instance. So for example, the heap size, and here you can see the availability of this component, and if you click on it you can directly access to the graphic with all the values, the historical values during the period that you want to select, and we have all the values that we want. So it's really interesting, really, and really clear, really clear. So we can zoom, of course, as any other APM component, and here you can access to any component as you want and retrieve the status, the historical values at the same time on your APM dashboard. So here we have the different change log, so it's really interesting to have this kind of value here. Thank you for your attention. I hope that you enjoyed this presentation, and don't forget to visit us on our website www.orsena.com. Feel free to contact us if you need more information by email or by phone. Bye bye.